Good evening everyone, welcome back once again. I am Nazif Osman. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design this very simple ID card. Okay, so for you to design this ID card, very first thing that you have to do is you have to choose a custom size of 1800 by 2840. Okay, 1800 by 2840. This is the custom size that you are going to choose. Okay, so after you must have choose a custom size of 1800 by 2840. Next thing that we are going to do is you are going to click on this plus sign to import the front and back side of this ID card. Okay, from your phone gallery. As you can see now, this is the front side of the ID card and this is the back side of it. This is the back side of it. Okay, so you are going to import this front and back side of this ID card to use it as your reference material to guide you do the assignment. Okay, so the very next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign to add another page that you will be using for the design. Okay, so after you click on this, next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign here that you are seeing. So after you click on this plus sign, then you are going to this element. Make sure I click on this element. Then you are going to search for abstract wavy line. Okay, here it is. How you are seeing it, you are going to search for this abstract wavy line. Then you will wait a little bit for it to load. Okay, so once you search for this abstract wavy line, it is going to show you this different kind of materials. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this one. I hope you'll be able to see it. You are going to click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it is going to upload into your canvas automatically. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to place it somewhere around here. You are going to place it somewhere around here. Then after you place it somewhere around here, you are going to make use of your hand to increase its size, to expand it, to make sure it covers every part of your canvas. Okay, I hope you are following me. You will keep on dragging it from this angle to make sure it covers every part of your canvas. I will still keep on dragging it. I hope you are following me. Okay, then you can make use of your hand to position it properly. So the very next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to scroll like this. You will click on this transparency. I hope you'll be able to see it. Then you are going to reduce the transparency to 10. Okay, exactly 10. You are going to reduce the transparency to 10 like this. So the very next thing that I'm going to do now is, okay, I still have to reduce the transparency. I still have to reduce this transparency. Okay, let me reduce it. So just reduce the transparency to 3. Okay, reduce it to 3. So once you reduce it to 3, the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign. I hope you'll be able to see it. Okay, you are going to click on this plus sign here. After you click on this plus sign here, then you are going to search for frame. Okay, you'll come to this place and search for frame. Then you'll click on it. So as you can see now, you will see different kind of frame. Okay, so the one that I'm going to choose is, we are going to choose this particular one. No, we are going to choose this particular one. I hope you are seeing it. Okay, we are going to choose it. So what you do is you just click on it. After you click on it, then you use the hand to position it properly like this. Then you come and place it somewhere around here. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this replace. Hope you'll be able to see it. You are going to click on this replace to replace it with your picture or somebody picture. So I'm going to replace it with my picture here. So let me go and look for it. Let me go and look for it. I think it's inside my download folder, so let me look for it here. Okay, then you are going to scroll down like this. I'm going to look for the picture that I want to replace that particular frame with. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the exact picture that I use, okay, for my ID card. I made use of this picture. So let me just click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to replace this particular frame with this picture. Okay, so the very next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to change this color, this edge color to, you are going to change it to green color. Okay, as you can see now from the reference material, the color here is green, the edges color is green, so you are going to change it to green. Okay, so for you to do that, you will click on this guy, then you'll come to this color, not the first one, because if you click on this color, you are going to color the entire frame. Okay, so what we'll do is you are going to click on this color, the second one, then you are going to choose for green color. Okay, so as you can see now, I have successfully colored it to this color. So very next thing that I'm going to do now is, okay, you are going to click on this plus sign again. The video is start getting longer. Then you are going to click, you are going to look for another frame. So this is the frame that I use here. So you click on it. After you click on it, then you are going to click on this first color here to color it to green color. Okay, so after you color it to the green color, then you are going to the second color, this one, and change it to black color. I hope someone is following me. Okay, then you'll come to this place, you'll take it here and place it somewhere around here. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign to duplicate it. As you can see now, I duplicate it, then you'll come and place it, position it somewhere around here. Okay, so let me look at the reference material. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this plus sign here, then you'll come to this text, click on this text. After you click on this text, then you are going to click on this add a heading. Okay, you are going to click on it, then you are going to place it somewhere around here. You will click on this edit. You are going to give it any name of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to give it my brand name, Nazir's Graphic. Okay, so let me go and change the font, any font on my choice. So the font that I suggest you guys should use is Montserrat Classic font. I hope you'll be able to see it. So this is the font that I suggest you guys should use. So after you click on this Montserrat Classic font, you are going to wait a little bit for it to load. Then the very next thing that I'm going to do now is we are going to change this one to particular color. So me, I'm using green color here. I prefer using green color. Then you'll come to this font size here to reduce the size of the font. Okay, you are going to reduce its size. Okay, let me place it somewhere around here. Let me leave it 220. So I think I'm okay with this. So the very next thing that I'm going to do now is we are going to search for this particular bulb that was seen now. You are going to search for it. Okay, and for you to do that, you will click on this first sign down here again. Then you will click on search. We are going to search for ideas. I hope you guys are following me. Click on it. Idea. Let me search for idea alone and see. Okay. okay, sorry, for you to be able to search for this idea, make sure you click on the element. After you must have click on this plus sign, make sure you come to this element. Okay, then after you come to this element, then you are going to search for ideas. Okay, you'll click on it. So as you can see now, you'll see a lot of them. So the particular one I use, let me look at it. Let me delete this guy. Let me delete this text. Okay, let me go and look for the one I use. So as you can see now, they'll be showing you pro. All this that that you are seeing now is for pro users. You may be able to use them unless you are using Canva Pro. Okay. So due to the timing of this video, I'm just going to choose this particular one. As you can see now, it is a pro one. I'm going to choose it. It is not the exact one I use, but due to the timing of this video, I'm going to use it. But make sure you must have click on the page you are working on before you'll be able to import stuffs. Okay. So what you'll do now is you are going to reduce its size like this. Hope you are following me. You are going to reduce its size like this. Then you'll come to this place and place it somewhere around here. Okay. So let me take this one down a little bit. Okay. So let me continue. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on this writing again. Click on this for sign to duplicate it. Then you are going to write financial elaborations through smartphone. Okay. Then you'll come to this font size and reduce the size of the font. Okay, let me reduce it to 50 and see. Okay, so you are going to leave it like this. You can leave it to 50, exactly 50. So the next thing that I'm going to show you now is you'll come down here, click on this follow sign. Then you are going to search for chef. Okay, you are going to search for chef. Then you click on it. You are going to wait for it to load. Okay, then you are going to choose this particular one. What you are seeing it, this circle one. You will click on it. So after you click on it, you'll come to this place here. We are going to reduce its size like this, very well like this. Okay, I still have to adjust this one, shift it inside a little bit. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to click on it. You'll come to this place and position it somewhere around here. I hope you guys are following me. Okay, so let me position it somewhere around here. Then you will click on this plus sign again to duplicate it. You'll go and place it somewhere around here. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do now is you are going to write your name and follow it to black color. You are going to write stamp number, okay, and you are going to write the number. So I know you'll be able to do the remaining things for the front side of this ID card. So next thing that I'm going to do now is after you have successfully done with this one, you'll come to this place here. You will click on this plus sign to add another page. Okay. So after you click on this plus sign, next thing that I'm going to do now is you're going to click on this plus sign down here. Okay, and search for chef. Then you will click on this particular chef. I hope you guys are seeing it. Then you'll come to this color here. Then you are going to color it to this ash color. Okay, you are going to color it to this ash color. Hope you are seeing it. The color from the photo. Then you will come to this place here. You will drag it from here. make sure it covers every part of your canvas like this. So next thing that I'm going to do now is you'll come to this place again and take out this circle shape. Okay, I hope someone is following me. Then you'll click on it, increase its size like this. Okay, then you'll come and place it somewhere around here. You'll come and place it up here. All you guys are seeing what I'm trying to do. So this thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to copy this. Okay, you are going to write the same thing. You are going to write this in this graphic. Take this particular guy, how you are seeing it. You are going to search for this idea again. Then you are going to write this financial elaboration through smartphone. Then you are going to write it exactly the way you see it inside the reference material. Then you are going to write everything you see here. Write your phone number and the rest of the remaining writing. So the next thing that I'm going to show you now is how I achieve this particular line, this straight line. I'm going to show you how I achieve it. Very simple. What you'll do is you just click on this plus sign here. Click on this shape. After you click on this shape, then you'll come and place it somewhere around here. You are going to reduce its size very well like this. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm trying to do. Okay, then you still have to reduce its size like this. Then you come and place it somewhere around here. So next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to color it to black color. Okay, color it to black, this black color. So as you can see now, I will successfully form a straight line. Then you will continue inserting the remaining writings exactly the way you see them inside the reference material. So that's all for this particular ID card, as simple as that. So after you are done, you are going to click on this arrow that is looking downward to save our work. Okay, you are going to click on it. So once you click on it, okay, you are going to wait a little bit. As you can see now, preparing your design. Your design is preparing to save. Okay, then you are going to wait a little bit till your design finish preparing. Okay, so after your design finish preparing, as you can see now, save to gallery. This ID card has been saved into my phone gallery. So if you go to your phone gallery, you will see it there. As simple as that. Thank you. ويستأذن ربك لا يبعث يعني أين كوف؟ أنا غادي